The first step is to connect to the internet using either Wi-Fi or mobile data. For Android phones, tap the Google Play or Play Store logo. And on the search bar above, type Messenger and click the search button. Tap Messenger with this logo and tap Install. Wait for the installation to finish and tap Open. Tap Create New Account. Then fill in the required details such as first name and last name. Date of birth, cell phone number, and gender. Next is creating a password. Make sure it's unique but easy for you to remember. You'll be directed to the Facebook app where you have to log in with your cell phone number and the password you just created. Then tap Log In. If your number is linked to your email, Facebook will ask you to confirm. When in doubt, simply tap Confirm with code instead. Tap Yes, this is my email to confirm. Once logged in, tap OK and you'll be directed to your Facebook page. Tap Deny for all succeeding pop-ups. Tap the App Manager button, usually found at the bottom left corner of your screen or phone, and tap the Messenger app. Tap the Exit button on the upper left corner of the screen if it's still loading. Once you're in the home page, enter your cell phone number, your password, and tap Log In. Decline any pop-ups first by tapping Not Now and tapping OK if asked twice. Now we have to start a group chat by tapping the New Message button. Tap Create New Group. Then tap the search bar above and type the name of your friend. Multiple accounts of the same name will most likely appear, but tap your friend's name only if you're sure that account belongs to him or her. Tap the search bar again to repeat the process for other friends. When you're done adding friends, tap Next. Then tap Name your new chat and label accordingly. Finally, tap Create. Now you have a group chat with your Dgroup. To start the group video call, tap the camera button and tap Allow for the audio and video pop-ups. Once the video call starts, wait patiently for your members to pick up. Once everyone is present, you can now start your online Dgroup meeting. A few tips that might help. It's best to speak one at a time to avoid cross-talking. If a person wishes to speak, they may raise their hand. Video calls can consume a lot of data, which can be very expensive, so tap on the camera button to turn off your camera and just retain the audio. Lastly, be gracious to one another. If miscommunication can happen in face-to-face conversations, it can happen in video calls too. We hope you have a blessed time in online Dgroup.